Now slowly close it to see. Done. Nice work. Vertical to the plate. Drop it. Hi, good day, gentlemen. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Here, let's see for this E400 from Super Frog 9-channel valve version with hydraulic wrist. It's additional attachments here with this flat bucket can put to the hydraulic wrist and also this ripper. So this is the original bucket, can only be connected to the arm directly. So this hydraulic wrist, it is with hydraulic tilting and also with hydraulic little claw, and bottom have hydraulic quick connection, also one more spare oil channel. The rotation, it is done by brushless motor gearbox. Now let's see how accurate we can control this one. Turn it right. Let's try to grab this coin. See this little claw? Actually, they are not even left with right. They are not horizontal, so it's very difficult to grab a small coin. Let's see how can we get it down. Yeah. Slowly, first close a little bit. Align with the coin to be the middle point. Rotation. That's very slow, fine moving. You see? Align it. Drop. Now slowly close it to see. Then rise a little bit. Grab in the middle. Done. Good. Rise it. Nice work. Let's see if we can. If not horizontal, it cannot be standing there. Yeah. Maybe the wood block not horizontal. Let's try. Slowly. Very little drop. Open. It's not horizontal. Anyway, we grab it easily. Now, rotation, try to make it horizontal, vertical to the plate. Now, should be vertical. I can see it. Drop it. Now, let's take the flat bucket. Remove the hydraulic wrist, unlock. Then lock in the original bucket. Good, then lock it. Done. Already tight. Very smooth, slow digging. Also can give more pump load for powerful, quick digging. So this one, no matter you have skill or not, you can operate it very accurately. I can very easily making flat moving on the table. That's the fine control of this excavator. Well done. Sound off. Well, that's the hydraulic wrist for this E400. Even it's so tiny small one, but with so many functions, oil channel, electric connection, spare oil channel, that's for tiny object with so many complicated functions. Well done. And welcome to oliverhobby.com, my website, to choose your favorite RC models. See you guys.